Which paragraph? Which paragraph? Hurry up. I think so. I'm asking the students which para. Nobody knows?
Page number 81, second paragraph.
Page number 81 and
81, second paragraph.
second paragraph. Okay, fine. Put the date. Hurry up. Date written.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
now so whom did Nick Middleton meet? Whom did he meet?
Norbu.
Yes, Pranjal?
Ma'am, Norbu.
Norbo, very good. And where did he meet him? Where did he meet him?
Ma'am, in a cafe.
In a cafe. The cafe was small, dark and cavernous. Okay, cavernous, you got it? It was almost very dark, you know, like a cave it was. Okay, and a long metal stove was kept there, and the walls and ceilings, they were earthed in sheets of multicolored plastics. Okay, they all were covered with multicolored plastics of all colors, broad blue, red and white. Okay, and it is made into stout voluminous shopping bags sold all over China, and lot of bags were hanging there. Voluminous means very big bags, you know, those were hanging there made up of plastic, and those bags, they are sold in China and many other countries of Asia as well as Europe. Okay, and plastic, you know, it must be rated, the writer says, as one of the China's most successful exports along the Silk Road today. Okay, सबसे successful export माना जाता है जो Silk Route से होता है. The cafe had a single window beside which I had taken a position so that I could see the pages of my notebook. I had also brought a novel with me to help pass the time. Okay. Now this cafe, you know, beta, it had only a single window, and there Nick Middleton, he was sitting there so that he could get enough of light. Why? Because it was cavernous, means it was almost like a cave, and not much light was coming in. Okay, so he just sits near the window so that he could see the pages of the notebook, and he had also brought a novel with him so that he may pass his time. Norbo saw my book when he came in and asked with a gesture if he could sit opposite me at my dictate table. Yes, you English, he inquired. Now see, Norbo, he saw the book Nick Middleton was having when he came inside, and with a gesture, समझ गए? He did not speak, he just made a sign. Okay? तो sign मतलब इशारे से उसने पूछा if he could sit opposite to me at my रिक्ति. रिक्ति होती है the table that shakes, you know, the legs are weak. Okay? हिलती हुई table. Got it? Yes, beta. So he sits there, and you English means he just wanted to inquire that if you are an Englishman, you know English. After he had ordered tea, I told him I was, and we struck up a conversation. Okay, and we just struck up means we just settled to have a conversation. We just began with the conversation, you know, a talk. I didn't think he was from those parts because he was wearing a wind cheater and metal rimmed spectacles of a Western style. और द राइटर ही सेज कि मुझे नहीं लगता कि वो उन हिस्सों से था। क्यों? क्योंकि उसने एक विंड शीटर पहना हुआ था। विंड शीटर समझते हो ना? व्हाट इज इट? अ नायलॉन पुलोवर। ओके, a nylon pullover, it is wind cheater, you know, to stop the wind from entering, okay, so that you might not feel cold. तो विंड शीटर वगैरह पहना हुआ था, मेटल रिम्ड स्पेक्टिकल्स उसने पहने हुए थे ऑफ वेस्टर्न स्टाइल. He was Tibetan, he told me. लेकिन Norbu, he says to Nick Middleton that he was a Tibetan, but worked in Beijing at the Chinese Academy of Social Sciences. Underline कर लो, he was a Tibetan. And where did he work? He worked in Beijing at the Chinese Academy of Social Sciences, in the Institute of Ethnic Literature. Okay, ethnic hota hai that pertains to cultural traditions. Write down. Ethnic means related to cultural traditions. Related to cultural traditions. Written.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
I assumed he was on some sort of field work. Okay, I assume means the writer, he guesses that he was doing some field work there. Yes and no, he said. I have come to do the Kora. My heart jumped. Okay, yes and no. यानी ज़्यादा वो हाँ या ना ही बोल रहा था. And he says that even I have come to do this pilgrimage of Mount Kailash. Even I have come to do Kora. Norbo had been writing academic papers about the Kailash Kora and its importance in various works of Buddhist literature for many years. He told me, but he had never actually done it himself. See now, Norbo, he had been writing academic papers. Okay, academic papers समझ गए ना, बड़े जो एजुकेटिव होते हैं, वो बहुत ज्यादा है ना, that gives you lot of knowledge, you know. तो वो इस तरह के academic papers related to a scholar. Okay, he was writing it academic papers about the Kailash Kora के बारे में, सारी academic मतलब educative knowledge he was giving, और उसके इम्पोर्टेंस के बारे में, कैलाश कोरा की क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है इन वेरियस वर्क्स ऑफ बुद्धिस्ट लिटरेचर, है ना. बुद्धिस्ट लिटरेचर में कैलाश कोरा के बारे में ही हैड बीन राइटिंग एंड ही हैड बीन डूइंग इट बेटर फ्रॉम मेनी इयर्स. ही टोल्ड मी, ही टेल्स निक मिडलटन. लेकिन वो कहता है कि इतना कुछ मैंने कैलाश, माउंट कैलाश के बारे में लिखा है, अबाउट दिस pilgrimage, about this Kora, but I myself have never done it. Okay, लेकिन मैंने आज तक ये कोरा नहीं करा है. Okay, ये pilgrimage नहीं करा है. When the time came for me to tell him what brought me to Darjan, his eyes lit up. We could be a team, he said excitedly. लेकिन जब Nick Middleton, you know, when he tells him that he had come here to do Kora, okay, to do the pilgrimage, to complete the pilgrimage of Mount Kailash, एकदम से उसकी eyes, you know, they were lit up. एकदम से a brightness was there in his eyes. चमक आ जाती है उसकी आंखों में, और कहता है गुड, वी वुड बी अ टीम. बढ़िया है, हम दोनों का साथ हो जाएगा. वी कुड बी अ टीम. Two academics who have escaped from the library. Perhaps my positive thinking strategy was working after all. Okay, अब वो इतना excited, इतना enthusiastic हो जाता है और कहता है हाँ, हम दो academics, you know, one who writes about education and all. Okay, तो कहता है हम दो academics होते हैं, जो मैंने कहा ना related होता है, ठीक है ना, education से. तो हम दो academics, you know, we would be together. हम academic जो escape कर गए library से. Okay, we are away from the library. So very good, we would be a team. We would be all together completing the Kora. Even उसको भी कोई साथ मिल गया. And even Nick Middleton, who was feeling very lonely, है ना, anyhow he develops a very positive thinking कि चलो negativity छोड़ के I'm going to develop a positive thinking that might help me. तो उसको लगा कि मेरी ये, निक को लगता है कि मेरी ये पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग स्ट्रेटेजी, यू नो, नाउ इट इज helping me out, it is working. My initial relief at meeting Norbo, who was also staying in the guest house, was tempered by the realization. Tempered means it was balanced, right on balanced, by the realization that he was almost as ill-equipped, okay, not fully equipped. Yani, जो भी सामान होना चाहिए to reach Mount Kailash, they were not having, even he was not having, as I for the pilgrimage, okay. तो कहता है सबसे पहला रिलीफ मुझे ये मिला नॉर्बो से मिलने के बाद, who was also staying in the guest house, कि वो भी ill equipped था, यानी उसके पास भी बहुत सारे इक्विपमेंट्स नहीं थे, बहुत सारी जरूरत की चीजें to complete the Quran नहीं था. So anyhow we both were going to adjust and we both will support each other. He kept telling me how fat he was and how hard it was going to be. Very high up, he kept reminding me, so tiresome to work. अब वो लगातार continuous Nick Middleton को बोलता रहा कि I'm very fat and it is very difficult to climb up. Why Mount Kailash is at a very great height. Now they have to walk. Okay, they have to cover the distance. Okay, on foot. So वो बताता रहा कि it was very hard to go up now and it's really tiresome to walk. He wasn't really a practicing Buddhist, it transpired. Okay, now he says that he wasn't a practicing Buddhist. Okay, practicing मतलब एक Buddhist follower नहीं था. Practicing होता है who is following. Okay, Buddhism वो नहीं था, ऐसा transpired हुआ. Transpired means came to know. Write down the meaning, came to know. ऐसा मालूम पड़ा, but he had enthusiasm and he was of course Tibetan, right? अब वो practicing Buddhist तो नहीं था, he did not follow Buddhism. Okay, it was transpired, I came to know about it, but at last he had enthusiasm, okay, lot of curiosity he had. And of course, that was sure that he was a Tibetan. Although I had originally envisaged, write down the meaning of envisage is to think, thought. Making the trek in the company of devout believers. Devout are the religious believers. और कहते हैं मैंने ओरिजिनली ये सोच ही लिया था कि आई एम गोइंग टू मेक द ट्रैक मींस आई एम गोइंग टू कवर दिस वे टू माउंट कैलाश इन द कंपनी ऑफ डिवोट बिलीवर्स. डिवोट इज द रिलीजियस पीपल हु आर वेरी रिलीजियस. तो इस वजह से ऑन रिफ्लेक्शन ऑन थिंकिंग मैंने डिसाइड करा कि परहैप्स नॉर्बो ही वुड टर्न आउट टू बी द आइडल कंपेनियन. और आइडल यू गॉट इट, जो बहुत आदर्श होता है. ओके, अ वेरी गुड कंपेनियन ही इज गोइंग टू प्रूव टू बी. He suggested we hire some yaks to carry our luggage. Yak, we have, at the mountain ranges in Shimla and all, high peaks. The yaks are there. They carry on the luggage. They also carry on the people to a great height. Animals, okay. तो कहता है we are going to hire some yaks, है ना, yaks किराए पर ले लेंगे, that will carry a luggage, which I interpreted means which I explained as a good sign. और मैंने भी कहा भाई yes that would be good. And he had no intention of prostrating. Prostrating the meaning, write down, lying down. He did not have any intention to just lie down, to get sticked himself all round the mountain. Not possible, he cried, collapsing across the table in a hysterical manner. Hysterical होता है extreme excitement, बहुत ज़्यादा excitement होता है ना, इंसान जोर जोर से हंसता है, बहुत excited होके उसको कहते हैं. तो वो कहता है कि मेरी कोई इच्छा नहीं है कि मैं वहीं पड़ा रहा हूँ around the Mount Kailash. He just wanted to go there, वहाँ का दर्शन करना था उसको. Okay, Kora complete करना था with Nick Middleton and he wanted to return back. It wasn't his style and anyway his tummy was too big. Okay, अब ये उसकी कोई स्टाइल नहीं थी हंसने की, but still he laughed. और moreover Nick Middleton कहते हैं कि उसका टमी भी इतना बड़ा था, means he was so fat that he might face a lot of difficulty in climbing, and then moreover he was not interested in lying around the Mount Kailash, means in staying there for a long time. He just wanted to return back soon. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody?
ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
fine.
ma'am.
Today we'll stop here and tomorrow we'll do the questions. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Right? And all the best for exams, whosoever is appearing in the re-examination. Thank you. God bless you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
God
ma'am.
bless you, beta. God